Namaste. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JBW. So today we are going to continue agriculture poisons. The next agriculture poison is andrin. Andrin is a polycyclic polychlorinated hydrocarbons that belong to the group of cyclodine insecticides. It tastes bitter and commonly known as plant penicillin because of its action on various insect pests. So the product is easily available in market, containing about 20 to 50% of andrin mixed with petroleum hydrocarbons such as aromax, which smell like kerosene, and it is commonly used as spray. So the sign and symptoms that andrin produces are basically these symptoms produces within 1 to 6 hours, and the symptoms are like salivation, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain. Rarely it can cause diarrhea. Hoarseness of voice can be there, coughing, froth at the mouth and nose, dyspnea, headache, giddiness, restlessness, hyperirritability. Pupils can be dilated, incoordination, ataxia. Patient or victim can be mentally confused, tremors, tonic and clonic convulsions can be present. The patient may go into coma and may die due to respiratory failure. That was previously that was acute poisoning. Now chronic poisoning. So in chronic poisoning, the long duration exposure is needed where the toxin get accumulated. In case of chronic poisoning, symptoms are loss of weight, weakness, ataxia, tremors, mental changes, oligospermia. It also increases the tendency of few cancers like leukemias, aplastic anemia, and liver cancer. So the fatal dose is 5 to 6 grams and fatal period is 1 to several hours. Treatment is remove the patient from the exposure, remove his exposed clothes, wash the contaminated part with soap and water. If ingested, gastric lavage should be done. Emetics and cathartics can be used. Activated charcoal, cholesterol to increase fecal excretion of organochlorines. No specific antidote to andrin is present. So the primary target is to maintain airway so breathing can be easy and to maintain circulation. To control the mental state, dextrose, naloxone and thiamine can be given. Diazepam along with phenobarbital can be used to control convulsions. Calcium gluconate can be proved useful. In the postmortem finding, the mouth and stomach contained smell like kerosene due to the presence of aromax. Sign of asphyxia are present. Andrin resists putrefaction. So andrin can be found in the viscera even sometime after the death. So the case can be occupational poisoning, accidental poisoning, suicidal poisoning, but the homicidal poisoning is rare. Thank you.